Teachers, parents, students, fellow graduates, and distinguished guests, good morning. Today is a day to be thankful and to be inspired. I really take this moment to have given an opportunity to speak to you as a whole, especially to you, my fellow graduates, class of 2013. Before I begin, I'd like to thank all the parents and guardians for gathering here today. Without the support of our families, none of us would have come this far. Today is not only my day to shine. Every graduate who's here is deserving of high praise and recognition. And I would like to congratulate each one of us for reaching this milestone in life. This is the moment that we have always imagined, one that we will remember for the rest of our lives. So, I would like to salute each and every one of us for making it on this day. We have been classmates, friends, best friends, and live as family. Now, I feel that the closing stage for elementary is full of many memories. But they'll say, tomorrow is a new beginning. I would like to thank all the people behind the FMCS, big or small, for doing a wonderful job. I am deeply thankful to God, to my parents, particularly to my teachers, who have patiently shaped my personality onto a well-rounded one. For our friends, until we meet again. For our guests of honor, thank you for the inspiration. May our little victory will serve as an inspiration. For our teachers and principal, thank you. And this is not goodbye. This is just asking your permission and for your blessings as we take off. Please wish us well. For our parents and families, especially to my mama and papa, I know that you are so very proud of me. Thank you for helping me do my assignments, projects, and activities in every possible way. You're always there to appreciate and cheer me up. Once again, thank you so much, Mama and Papa. Let us thank God for this moment. Let us thank Him for the angels He sent to make sure that this day will happen. As we live here today, celebrate what we have accomplished, but look forward with an eye toward how you too can be the inspiration for others. Thank you and congratulations to all the graduates of class 2013.
Thank you so much.